Hello, she's back. All right, let's talk about grounding tools. Grounding tools are so important. We need to stay grounded. Why? Because life will never stop coming at us. That's okay. That's okay. We got this. So, the first grounding tool I want to talk about is literally saying your full name. Let's say you're in a situation and you're starting to feel anxious, and you know you are. You can feel the sweaty palms, heart racing, all of these symptoms of being anxious. The first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath in, then out. And then in your head, I want you to say your full name. Okay? Then I want you to say today's date. After that, I want you to say your age. Once you finish saying your full name, today's date, and then your age, I want you then to say, I'm okay. And no matter what happens, I'm going to be just fine. Okay. So this grounding tool works for a few reasons. Number one, when you say your full name, it brings your attention to you. This is you. Okay. Number two, when you say today's date, it aligns with the here and now. Okay, this isn't when you were 10 or 5 or even 15. This is here and now. And then when you say your age, it really cements you in the here and now, which helps you ground. Now, you're going to say, I'm okay. And no matter what happens, I'm going to be just fine. See, our brains are wired for fight or flight, and our brains are smart. So we know that if we were in any real danger, we wouldn't have time, first of all, to do all these tools, honey. No. If there were bears, lions, tigers, guns, and knives, we would run. We would go into the fight or flight, either fight, flight, freeze, fawn, but we would go into survival mode in order to take care of ourselves. Our brains are wired for survival, so don't worry about that. If you have the time to do a grounding tool, then your brain will automatically know that this is a perceived threat and not a real threat. And it will respond accordingly. Okay? So a perceived threat is just that. It is a threat that we are perceiving. A real threat is just that. It's a threat. Our lives are in danger, and we go into the fight or flight in order to survive. Okay. Once you come down to baseline, ask yourself, what is it that I need in order to take care of myself right here, right now? What is it I need? And that could look different for all of us. But that's important for us to check in that way. Why? Well, we're going back to the big three. Ready? Because we're responsible for taking care of ourselves. I can hear you guys out there aligning with our values and engaging with others appropriately. Yes, we are responsible for that. So checking in gives us the avenue that we need in order to do just that. Remember, pull your values up, keep them with you so that you can, in fact, align with your values to take care of yourself throughout any situation. Okay. Now, if in fact you are still struggling to self-regulate, then I want you to come up with a plan that's helpful for you. Okay. This plan can involve other people. So I want you to think about a friend. Matter of fact, think about a few friends that you know you can call, because this person or these people are supportive and there's someone that can help ground you in the here and now. Okay. Make sure your thoughts are aligning with your values, because remember, the thoughts come first, and then usually after we have thoughts, feelings and behaviors come next. So if we make sure our thoughts are aligning with our behaviors first, it will definitely help us ground. Okay. So if you're in a stressful situation and then you're in the fight or flight, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? If you have the time to remind yourself to align your thoughts with your values, that will help your heart rate come down, because it's obviously not a real threat, it's a perceived threat, and we can work with perceived threats in order to regulate ourselves. Okay. And last but not least, for grounding, don't take things personal. I guarantee you, whatever is going on has everything to do with the outside situation and nothing to do with you personally. So don't take it personal, because it's not. That'll help you calm down right there. Hopefully. All right. So that's it for this grounding session, tools section. Come on back. We got more. We're not done yet. Our toolbox is getting full, but there's a lot of room and I got more to give. All right. See you soon.